One common misconception about conjunctions is that they are only used to connect two equal clauses. But in reality, they can connect words, phrases, and clauses of varying lengths and complexities. Another myth is that conjunctions are only used in formal writing, when in fact they are used in every type of writing, from social media posts to academic papers. Also, many people believe that conjunctions are only necessary for writing and not for speaking. But the truth is, we use conjunctions every day in our conversations, often without even realizing it. Welcome back to my channel. This is your online English tutor at Banky's Corner. Do well to like, share, and subscribe for lessons on language skills and communication skills. Today, we'll be looking at what conjunctions are. Conjunctions are the words that connect words, phrases, and clauses in sentences. It enables us to express our thoughts and ideas in a clear and coherent manner. They play a vital role in the structure of language, but are often overlooked in favor of more grammatical elements, or what we call other parts of speech, like nouns, the verbs, the prepositions, and the rest. But conjunctions are very crucial and very important in sentence structure. Let's take a look at these three sentences. I went to work. I went to work. The second sentence, I returned home by 4:15 p.m. I returned home by 4:15 p.m. Then the last sentence, I could not make it to the stadium on time due to the heavy traffic. We can combine the three sentences with appropriate conjunctions to give one sentence as follows. I went to work and I returned home by 4:15 p.m. but I could not make it to the stadium on time due to the heavy traffic. The conjunctions here, also known as joiners, are and but. The joiners and but are used above are examples of conjunctions. In essence, conjunctions allow you to form complex, elegant sentences and avoid many multiple short sentences. When you have many sentences to be used, what you can just do is to infuse the use of conjunction. It makes your sentences to be well fused, coherent, and well explained. Types of conjunctions. In English language, conjunctions come in three forms. We have coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunction, and subordinating conjunction. So let's look at each one after the other. Coordinating conjunctions. What type of conjunctions are referred to as coordinating? This type of conjunction allow you to join words, phrases, and clauses of equal grammatical rank in a sentence. They allow you to join words, phrases, and clauses of equal grammatical rank in a sentence. What are the types? We have for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. I will take that again. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Examples. Let's look at the sentence examples. Amos and Jane came yesterday. Amos and Jane came yesterday. The coordinating conjunction used in this sentence is and. Another example here, he tried but he didn't make it. He tried but he didn't make it. Let me know how you used the other common coordinating conjunctions in your various sentences. Another type of conjunction is correlative conjunctions. What type of conjunctions are these? They are pairs of conjunctions that work together. They are pairs of conjunctions that work together. That is, one goes with the other. Examples are either, or, neither, nor, not only, but also. Examples now. Either Agnes or Richard will come. Either Agnes or Richard will come. Another example, she is neither there nor here. She is neither there nor here. Let's look at another example. Not only will the men attend the occasion, but they will also bring gifts. So in these sentences, the correlative conjunctions are either, or, neither, nor, not only, but also are the correlative conjunctions used in the sentence. I'm sure you must have used this correlative conjunction in your speeches and your writing. The last is the subordinating conjunctions. These are used for joint, independent, and dependent clauses. These are used for joint, independent, and dependent clauses. In English language, we have two types of clauses. One is the main, and the other is referred to as subordinate clause. In our further studies, we'll be looking more on what clauses are. Let's take a look at the examples. So that, until, because, since, has, although, though, while, and whereas. Let's look at the sentence examples. I will not pay until I see the goods. I will not pay until I see the goods. Another example, although the track was wet, the race went on. Although the track was wet, the race went on. So in these examples, the subordinating conjunctions are until and although. So in these examples, we have two types of clauses being used. One is dependent, the other is referred to as independent. I would love to hear from you in the comments about your favorite conjunctions and how you use them in your writing or speaking. Don't forget to check out my other videos on grammar, where I dive deeper into the world of words and language. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language skills, lessons, and communication. Keep learning and keep being the best in everything you do. Bye.